Off-wing slide deployment. The off-wing escape slide is packed in a container assembly, which in turn is mounted into the center fuselage belly fairing. Two Type 3 exits are located over each wing and are always in armed configuration. Two emergency lights underneath the wing exits illuminate the escapeway leading to the escape slide, which is pointed out with red fluorescent arrows. The opening of one wing exit will initiate the deployment sequence. The escape slide inflates automatically and is ejected out of its containers and deploys in approximately 4 seconds. The inflation system consists of an inflation cylinder, which is located in the aft cargo compartment. Activation of the release mechanism initiates the inflation sequence. The gas stored in the cylinder is discharged to the inflatable through flexible hoses and an aspirator. The aspirator flaps open and ambient air is drawn into the slide. The slide remains folded by restraint devices, which brake at a predetermined force to permit correct deployment. Two black arrows located on the ramp section indicate the direction of the escape route. A lighting system is provided on the slides. The lights are located on the ramps along the side tubes and across the runway end. A red manual inflation handle located in each exit frame must be pulled to manually activate the inflation and deployment sequence in case of automatic release failure. If the slide is deployed but not inflated, it can still be used as a handhold escape chute. On the ramp section top, a hook is located. This hook must be connected to an attachment fitting on the wing. Two red no-fail handles are located on both sides of the escape slide, on-way end. 4 able-bodied men must hold the deflated slide extended by means of the no-fail handles to allow the passengers on the wing to descend.